Hi guys, today I am in this kitchen with my daughter. Say hello, Nia.
Hello.
I am cooking some etouffee at her request, a nice Louisiana dish. Right now I am chopping up my veggies or my seasoning that's going to go in, finishing up the garlic right here. So I have a half of onion, half a yellow onion, 2 stalks of green onion, some red and green bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also on the stove right now, I'm cooking my rice, as we're going to serve that etouffee over a nice bed of rice. So y'all just stay tuned and we're going to get this cooking. Next, I am going to season my crawfish tails. I have some Louisiana crawfish tails here. And so I'm going to just put a little salt and some black pepper. I'd probably say you can start off with a half a teaspoon of salt and probably about a teaspoon of black pepper, and then you can always season the taste. Just going to give them a little mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook my veggies in some butter. Okay guys, so I'm going to melt in my skillet a half a stick of butter. You are welcome to use margarine if you like. And yep, that's what I'm doing here. Once I get this all melted, I'm going to add my seasonings. What I mean by my seasonings, of course, my veggies, which are my bell peppers, onions, and garlic. So this is going to melt pretty quick. Alright, now I'm going to add my veggies. I'm going to let them saute for about a good, I would say good 2 minutes should do the trick. Just enough to get nice and soft. Before we add that crawfish in, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to our veggies. And we're going to mix that well. And then we will add our crawfish tails. This is pretty good. This is what we're looking for. So now what I'm going to do is add in the crawfish tails. Okay, can you hear those crawfish tails? So I'm adding the crawfish tails. Etouffee is one of those dishes you can eat any time of the year. You can eat it when it's cold, if you have some in the freezer, or you can eat it in the summertime. It's just a year-round dish, and it's a very popular dish in my household. We love crawfish etouffee. What we're going to do, we're going to add water. But what I do, I get about a half a cup of water and I add a little at a time. It's just what consistency you want your crawfish. So it's to your own desire. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Add a little water at a time. And see, like right now how it's kind of still a little stiff. I'm going to add just a little bit more water, but you want to add a little at a time. Bring it on back to a simmer, and we're going to let it simmer for 25 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been 25 minutes, and as you can see, our etouffee is cooked down. Now this is the time to taste your etouffee. If you're okay with the salt and pepper, that's fine, but I always put a little salt and pepper because I always want to add more seasoning, and right now I'm adding my Cajun seasoning, which is Tony Chachere's, and probably about a teaspoon of that. And that's going to kind of just bring all that Cajun flavor out. And we're ready to get this served up. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. We would love to have you here with us in the Hourglass Kitchen. Please share this video because this is a very simple and easy recipe. And I will talk to you guys the next time. Bye!